Theta healing is a meditative technique that will take you to the theta brainwave state. In this deep state of relaxation, used in hypnosis and in the first stage of sleeping, you will easily access your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind represents the 88% of your mind, and this is the place where we store beliefs, memories, thoughts, and feelings. In this 3-day live workshop, I will teach you the roadmap on how to reach to this state. You will learn how to muscle test and change genetic programs. You will also learn why are you creating the things in your life, and the most important, what are you learning from them. You will learn about manifesting, about soulmates, and the most important thing, being connected to the energy of Creator of all that is. There is no experience needed, either if you want to become a certified healer or you just want to use it for your personal growth. I am looking forward to meet you in class.